Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. This is Daisy. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to layer regular and glitter iron-on vinyl. I'm going to show you how to work with the design in the Cricut Design Space program, how to cut it, and how to press it on the garment. And the equipment and materials needed for this project are a Cricut machine. It could be a Maker, Explore Air, or Joy. Regular or glitter iron-on. I am using HTVRONT heat transfer vinyl or iron-on. Butcher paper, a home iron, an easy press, or a heat press. In the description below, I'm going to link all of the supplies used for this tutorial. I'm going to start working with the design in the Cricut Design Space program. But before, I would like to invite you to please support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. To explain how to prepare the layers, I'm going to use this flower that I found in the Cricut Access. Now, regular iron-on can be layered up to 4 times, one on top of the other one. For example, in this design, this will be the layer that is glued to the fabric. The pink and the green layer will be on top of this one. So these layers are ready to be cut to customize using regular iron-on vinyl. Now, when customizing with glitter iron-on, it is best that all the layers are glued to the fabric. And this is how you want to cut the layers. The offset will be the first one to press to the fabric, then the rest of the layers. I'm going to show you how to slice images so you can cut layers of glitter iron-on. This image was the one we had ready to be cut with regular iron-on. But I'm going to show you how to slice it so you can cut layers with glitter iron-on. Put one of the layers on top, select both, and click on slice. Remember, you can only slice 2 layers at a time. Remove the layers you don't need, and ready. Here is the first layer sliced. Now let's put the other layer on top. If you don't see it, go to Arrange and send it to the front. Align it, select both layers, and click on Slice. Now the design is ready to be cut with glitter iron-on. I'm not going to cut these flowers, I'm going to use a different design. These are the designs that I'm going to be cutting. This one is going to be cut with regular iron-on vinyl. And the other one is going to be cut with glitter iron-on. As you can see, it's already sliced. If you would like to use this image, I invite you to visit me on my blog. There you can download it for free. I'm going to link it in the video description down below. The text was added here in the Cricut Design Space program. The font is called Artist. I'm going to link it also in the video description down below. Resize the images to your liking and click on Make It. When you are cutting iron-on vinyl, it's very important to select mirror mode. You have to do this process in every layer. Now here we're going to select the material that we're going to cut. For example, the first layer is going to be cut with regular iron-on vinyl. So I'm going to select everyday iron-on vinyl. And for the next ones, I'm going to select glitter iron-on. Now let's go to the machine. When placing the iron-on vinyl on the cutting mat, this one has to go with the glossy part facing the cutting mat. And here are the layers ready to be transferred to the fabric. These layers are cut with glitter iron on. Now this one was cut with regular iron on. As you can see, it's not sliced. This is the layer that is going to go on top. Now I'm going to move to the next step. I'm going to transfer the layers to the fabric. To press the first design, I'm going to use the Easy Press. And for the second design, I'm going to use my heat press. Clean the surface using a lint roller, then press for 10 seconds. Place the design, place a piece of butcher paper on top, and press it at 330 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 seconds. Let it cool down for 30 seconds, then remove the film. Now align the other layers. Place the film that you remove from the first layer. Place a piece of butcher paper on top and press it at 330 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 seconds. Let it cool down for 30 seconds, then remove the transparent film. And here is the first design already transferred. Now let's move to the second one. This one is going to be transferred to a t-shirt. Clean the surface using a lint roller. Press it for 10 seconds. Align the design. Place a piece of butcher paper on top and press it at 330 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds. For this one, I'm going to use my heat press. Let it cool down for 30 seconds, then remove the transparent film. Place it aside because you're going to need it in a little bit. Now place the other layers on top. Place the transparent film that we removed on the first layer. Place a piece of butcher paper on top and press it at 330 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds. And here is the t-shirt customized with glitter iron-on vinyl. They both look beautiful. Now you already know how to layer regular and glitter iron-on vinyl. For this project, I used HTVRONT Iron On vinyl. I have used it several times and I am very happy with its quality and price. I'm going to link it in the video description down below. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial on how to layer regular and glitter iron-on vinyl. And please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit and I'll see you in my next tutorial.